check this in a minute. So tell me, what size drain plug is supposed to be in this engine? And what air filter? I mean, not oil filter. Because I think he sold me the wrong oil filter. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Okay, give you a recap of how my day is going. Topped off the oil in the truck. Put too much in it. Decided to drain some out. Drain plug fell off. Stripped. Here's my drain plug. Not looking too good, is it? The problem is it says M12 on it. The auto parts store gave me a rubber plug which didn't fit in the hole, and one of these that didn't fit in the hole. He swears up and down that this thing is 1/2 inch, even though it says metric on it. So what I've got is a 1/2 inch and an M12 this time. He's trying to tell me that the engine's been replaced. I don't think the engine's been replaced. I've had it off and on for 15 years. It's the first time this has been an issue. So let's see. Let's see if the metric one fits. If it will, it's not up. Okay. Well, that was a ton of drama for nothing. Hopefully that's the end of the drama. Still feels squishy to me, but it's in there. So I guess I can take this one back to the store, because it definitely was not 1/2 inch. Now if that holds, if that holds. Good grief. The things. I guess we'll find out. Put 1 quart in it. Let's see if it holds. Drama. Alright, now he's trying to tell me that this is an 89 engine. And it wasn't last time I had it. 7.3. Is there anything on the other one? No, nothing on that cover. He's telling me this engine's been changed, and I don't think it has, because I've been putting parts on it for the last 15 years. The only way this is a different engine, because it says turbocharger right on it, is if they replace the valve covers and put them on an older engine. I'm looking for a date. Navistar 7.3. I don't know, maybe they changed the pan. Don't know. At this point I don't care. See if that leaks. Give it a minute to get down there. While I'm down here, 1742, 6 inches long. I think he gave me the wrong oil filter too. 742. Let's go check it out. 742. Jesus fucking Christ. This is how my day's gonna go? That does not look like the same oil filter to me. It was longer than my hand. I don't know about this guy. That's 2. Let's see if it's leaking. It's in there. I snuggeted it. I don't see any oil coming out. I think we're alright. Okay, well, there's 1 gallon. Let's see if that even shows up on the stick. I think it holds 3 gallons. Nope. Nothing yet. Suppose it would be prudent to look underneath again to make sure it's not leaking. Seems to be. Seems to be okay. We'll get gallon number 2. Ah, the sounds of nature. Psychotic bird, non-stop traffic. That's 1 3/4 gallons. Check it so I don't end up back in the same situation I was just a minute ago. Put 2 quarts too much in. We are on the stick.
On the stick.
This is going to be one of those days where everything I touch turns to crap. I'm not going to touch any more stuff. It is 2 gallons. We're on the stick and it says add more. Generally like to put Lucas in. I don't think I have any. If I was smart, I would have done this first. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some of this in Lucas Oil Stabilizer. I should have put this in first because it is slow to pour. I put about 1 quart in. Check this out. And Karen is calling for Eric again. I'm not even going to speed this up. Not speeding it up, not slowing it down. Bad stuff with the oil stabilizer is you gotta wait. It'll take forever to get to the bottom of the engine. Check this in a minute. So tell me, what size drain plug is supposed to be in this engine? And what air filter? I mean, not oil filter. Because I think he sold me the wrong oil filter. So seriously, what oil filter is supposed to be in that engine? Because that ain't it. It was 1724, I think. Was that what we said? And on my return trip to return the first set of drain plugs that were wrong, they kept the receipt. I don't know if I'm going to be able to return that or not. Hopefully it's the same part number and this is just like a bigger version of it and it still fits on there, but it's not the right number. Let's check our level. Oh, okay. Whoa, spraying everywhere. Got myself. All right, let's see. Must drip down past the oil tube or something. Okay, well, I'm going to say that that is full. And I'm going to leave well enough alone. We didn't change the oil filter because I don't think that's the right one. Now we can go back underneath and see if it's leaking at all. Because, you know, now I'm going to be paranoid about it. I'm going to be scared. I'll take you with me this time. Where is it? There it is. Nope. I think we're good. As long as it doesn't rattle loose. There's oil up on those lines too. That can't be good. I'm stuck. One of these days I'm going to hook that trans command back up. They unhooked when they put the new transmission in. One of these days. I'm going to get this oil pan out. Terrible creepers. Nothing's going my way. Nothing's going my way today. If you look in here, you'll see 1 gallon of brand new oil and whatever was in it before. What a waste. If I can get my money back on this 1/2-inch bolt. I don't feel like driving up there again. Twice in one day was enough. I think the next thing we should probably do is start it. Check the oil level again, make sure it hasn't changed any, and then go park it. What a dramatic day. Always make sure that you tighten your 710 cap. A drama. I just needed an extra couple inches to get my body in there. See you in the next one.